Hi, it's me.
Hello Nelly, good morning.
Hello, it's me.
Karolina as well this morning. I'm saying hello to you.
Hello.
Hello.
So guys, that was Swedish studenten, which means everyone, school is finished and the summer is here. Bye. So this is my bike vlog. Yeah, so summer is here. Schools kaput. Oof. It's very, very windy today. Let me see if I can see more students. So tell me, how was your day? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it sunny? Oh honey, here is very sunny. Oh my god, look, we have a dog on a bike. Ah, that's so cute. Oh god. So my day was fabulous. It was short week for me, and we had a national day, June 6th, Sweden's national day, and I love it because we could be free and we worked half time the day before. And so I'm home very, very soon, and I really need to have a better camera so I can film my bike ride. So, what's up? It's my car vlog. Yes. From bike vlog to car vlog. June 9, we are going to Trelleborg to what? To visit my plant guy. So I see you there. Bye. Hot. Really, really hot. So guys, I have spent lots of money here. I'm in cacti heaven. Look how beautiful. Oh, amazing. I wanna show you my pickups. I think this is kind of euphorbia. My bishop cactus, or I don't remember the real name. I think this is kind of aloe, not sure. But this is what I got so far. Det är jätteroligt. And our trip is over. Was visiting my friend and got even more flowers. So now we have 4 trays flowers. I'm sorry. I don't think he's happy. Oh, this battery.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.